I'm Mackenzie, and today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup when wearing a Harley Quinn Suicide Squad look. Before I start, a disclaimer that I watched Laura Gilbert's tutorial on how to do this, so all credit goes to her for a lot of the ideas and products that I use, but I'll link hers in the description below as a good resource for you guys. So before I go into the makeup, I'm going to quickly go through how I made these tattoos and applied them using Laura Gilbert's method. There are a couple Etsy sellers that you can buy the tattoos pre-made online, but I decided to make my own on my iPad using Procreate and Photoshop, and then just printed them out on tattoo paper, and I'll show you guys how I applied that here. So the tattoo paper that I used comes with a cardstock side and then a sticky side. So you print on the cardstock and then remove the green backing from the sticky side and very carefully line it up with the printing, obviously ink side down. With the adhesive film attached, you just rub out the bubbles with your hands and apply some pressure to make sure it's all even. The instructions recommend that you allow 24 hours for the stickiness to cure, so I put some heavy books on it and left it for a few days because I had time. After the tattoos had cured, I cut them out. To apply them, you'll need Pros-Aide adhesive and a white or clear powder. I'm first applying a layer of Pros-Aide, letting it dry, then sticking the tattoo down. I wet the tattoo to transfer it, let that dry, add another layer of Pros-Aide, and then wait for that to dry and finish it off with the powder. Hey, have my contacts in already. I'm starting with this primer. Okay, now I have my primer on. I'm gonna start with foundation. This is Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation in color light neutral, light 41 neutral, as recommended by the Laura Gilbert. I got this bowl of water. It's for my little squishers. It's in the danger zone. Okay, here we go. It's quite light. I'm using this concealer from Makeup Revolution or Revolution Makeup. It's just the lightest one I could find. I'm gonna take this translucent powder to kind of set the concealer and foundation. Next is eyebrows, and I'm using this Anastasia brow definer pencil. I'm gonna use this part first and just brush them up. And then we're also using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter to keep this shape. It's clear because my eyebrows are pretty dark, so I'm just gonna brush it on in an upward motion. We're gonna take the other side of the Anastasia brow definer pencil. There we go. This is, I don't know what color, this is just medium brown. And just fill in a little bit. Eyebrows done. In Laura Gilbert's tutorial, she uses an eye crayon and draws where she wants the little, like, what would you call it? The little, like, lines to go, or like the bleeding of the eyeshadow to go to keep it in place. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, for eyeshadow, I'm using this palette that I got at Ulta. It's Revolution Makeup. Alexis Stone. Not sure who they are, but look at all of these great colors. So I'm gonna stick in these two columns for this side, and then this column for this side. Just kind of blend what looks good together. Did I just do the wrong color on the wrong side?
Did you?
Yep. This is supposed to be blue. Okay, we're back where we started. Okay. Now let me just quadruple confirm that this is the right, yeah, blue goes on blue. What was I thinking? I wasn't thinking. This is why people plan things before they try them.
It's okay.
Okay, retry. Other side. We have all these options. I'm gonna start here and move down. Brushes for the eyeliner, which is gonna be eyeshadow, this boy, and this angled precision one. I'm gonna start with this one. I'm using the black, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a winged liner. I handle myself. Eyeshadow's mostly done. I'm gonna do mascara next. I'm gonna use waterproof Better Than Sex mascara because when I wear contacts, like specifically colored contacts for too long, my eyes start to water. Oh, I forgot to curl them first. Where is my lash curler? Tattoo time. The tattoos go on the pink side, can confirm. So we're gonna do Pros-Aide first. Okay, we like it, we like it.
Yeah.
And it's a little messed up on the side, so I'm just gonna, do not. I'm just gonna tap it down, actually. I'll tap down the sides. And then, now that that's kind of dry, I'm gonna hit it with Pros-Aide again to secure. Okay, now that that's dry, I'm gonna put more of this on and then just put it all over my whole face. It's wet. Okay, I think that's it. I'm gonna do, well, we have to do the lips. But Laura Gilbert says don't do those last. So I'm gonna do wig now, new video. Here's a very fast look at how I put on the wig. I have a separate tutorial showing how I did all of this, how I made the wig myself and everything. So I'll link that in the description below and on the screen. The last part of the makeup bit is the red lips. So I'm gonna be using a just cherry red lip liner. I think it's like a cheap brand, it's NYX, and I'm just gonna trace my lips. Okay, lips lined, going to use this Too Faced Melted Matte Red lipstick. Oh, it looks good. Okay. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the makeup tutorial and tattoos. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cosplay content. I have more Harley Quinn Suicide Squad tutorial videos coming. That's a mouthful. Coming soon in the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned for more of that content and more cosplay content to come. Thanks.